weekend, Friday, getting down on Friday. Everybody's looking forward to the weekend, partying.
Good morning, PHS.
I'm
JT. And that's Amelia, and these are your morning announcements. Affinity Medical Center will offer a complete physical that meets the requirements of the Ohio High School Athletic Association for participating in athletic sports. The physical is good for 1 calendar year. You must complete the 2016-2017 OHSAA pre-participation form, OHSAA special needs form if applicable, and the Affinity consent form, and return it to the Perry Athletic Office by May 31st in order to receive a physical. The cost is $10 and will be paid on June 10th at Physical Day. Checks can be made payable to Perry High School. You can pick up the forms at the office or on the athletic webpage. The date of the physical is Friday, June 10th at Perry High School, with check-in starting at 2:20 in the auxiliary gym. Please listen to the announcements for information regarding the completion of the rest of the new online athletic packet.
Any senior girl playing powder puff, tomorrow's practice is canceled, but Sunday is on. Meet at the football stadium.
Do you need to earn community service hours over the summer? Well, if you do and you have a green thumb, then you're in luck. Check the guidance bulletin board for an opportunity to help start a community vegetable and herb garden.
That's all for today. Make sure to head to our YouTube channel next and watch Revolution.
There's a new weekly update, the O Show, sports, and live entertainment that you don't want to miss.
That's all we have for you today, Perry. Have a great Friday.